Alright, we're back. Phase converter's on. Okay, we're going to figure out what we're going to do here. So we're going to be about this high right here. Theoretically, we need to go down 2.3 inches minimum. See how far it actually goes down. Goes to there. Our depth stop over here. So that is roughly almost 2.4 inches. So 100 thou more than we need. Move it up a little bit just like that to make sure it doesn't bottom out yet. The automatic stop will stop before we get that deep, but just to make sure. I'm cutting right there. Okay. So there's step stop and all that. Okay. So if we turn this on, it might feed out another thou or so. Which might give me a little extra. So we're going to cut it, see what we got here. Turn that on. Turn that on for a power feed. Now we're feeding down. Looking to see what it's going to cut. Looks like it's cutting on the high side over here a little bit. It's also rubbing on the bottom, which is good. And we're doing on this side. So I'm seeing marks around the whole circle. So we're not really cutting any metal. That means we're right on dead nuts on center, which is one I wanted to see. You can see how deep it goes down there, way down there, or go down to the bottom's out. Hit your depth stop, it'll stop. Okay, they're not cut yet. Get a little extra. Didn't hit yet. Get a little extra more. Still didn't hit. A little extra. Keep doing that till it kisses down there. Not there yet. Don't get too greedy because all of a sudden it'll cut a bunch. Still not hitting yet. There, it just started hitting. I'll give it just a little extra so you can see it. It's not really kissing it where you can really hear it's hitting hard. I'll give it a little extra, make sure we can definitely hear it. All right. There it goes. Hear it hitting a little bit. Right. Still barely hitting it. All right. So you can see how the hole, see where the low spot is, where it wasn't cleaning. See how it's got a wave going through it, like a pattern through it? That's where all the trash has been through the breather hole. You see how it's nice equal all the way around. That means I'm dead on center. I don't see, right here you can barely see it hitting there, but pretty close. Alright, so we know we're there, and the bottom of the hole down there, you can see where it's just kind of hitting the radius down there at the very bottom, but it ain't bottoming out. So probably go a little bit deeper. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and give it, we got 30 thou to go. Well, 25 at least anyway. So you can see right here the number we're on. We're at 51 right now. I put it at 48, so I'm not sure why it changed. 10, and there's 15 thou right there. Take a big chunk of it out right now. I like a little load on my coil here so it doesn't vibrate. Puts even load on the feed mechanism. Tends to give a better finish. And we can speed this up a little bit also. Help the finish a little bit. Feeding too slow doesn't help. It makes the cutter come out pretty well too, so be careful. Just gonna make sure you don't bottom out against anything under here. That'd be a bad thing to do. Ooh, that's a little bit too much tension on that. Okay. See how nice the hole is? Nice finish. Okay. I'm gonna be careful about getting too much crap in there, but so you can see how far down we are in the very bottom of the hole down there. See where it's stopping down there at the bottom? Looks like it could go a little deeper if you wanted to. I can't feel my fingernails. Finger's too damn short to get in there. Trying to feel that edge. It's hard to feel it. Okay, we're more than deep enough to do what we need, so it's way down close. It's definitely going to finish it. Okay, so that was a 15. It might have cut a little extra because the RPM was up higher. We're at 960 up there right now. I'm going to give it another 5 thou right there. And crank this up to 1,000. See what happens. Carbide likes being faster than slower. See how much distance we're feeding down right here. I make a fancy reamer tool from doing this that I could have got a friend of mine, but reamers leave a very crappy finish. Boring the hole makes it nice and true. Doesn't have all those waves like we saw in the reamer before. Okay, don't put your hand anywhere near that until it stops. It could hurt. Nice smooth finish, I like that. Okay, let's measure it and see what we got. We probably can go for 1.5 thou, 2 thou clearance on this. That's probably all you really need. We're at 48 on the nose. The breather is 52.5. 0 plus 2.5 is 52.5. We're at 48, so we got 4.5 thou to go to get this 0 clearance. So we know kind of where we're at. If I give it the 5 more, four and a half, close enough. I'm going to measure that one more time to make sure that's the number. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay. Cut this again. It should put us at 0 clearance. Plus or minus a half of that. I'll have to take one more cut to make clearance. I'm not sure how much clearance these things are supposed to have on them, but a couple thou will not hurt anything, I'm sure. Better to be slightly loose and tight. A little extra depth. Okay. Feels good. So I guess the easiest way to do this is move it over. We're at 0, 0 up there. This will repeat us within a thou. Technically that should just maybe go in. Maybe. That's pretty much what it's doing. Kind of maybe going in. See, with no clearance, it doesn't want to go in very deep. It went in that deep with it. So that's how close we are. So you can see the chatter marks my machine. Back to 0. Okay, 0. See how long it stays there. Okay, I did not change the cutter any. See how close it repeats. Looks like it cut the same hole because it's got the same rub marks in there. Okay, so we're going to give it a little extra. We're going to have some clearance now. About 2 thou roughly clearance, 1 3/4 maybe. I don't think that's enough. I'll go back through again without changing the bit. I'll probably just do that anyway. We'll see how it feels. Except I can't do that because I have to move the table to do that. I'm going to do it again. Same cut again. If there's any high spots, it'll shatter them off, hopefully. Okay. Nice and smooth. Got just a little bit of clearance in it. See how it moves a little bit. It's good. I mean, it's not super tight. I like that. All right, there you go. Looks like it's made for it. So I just got to deburr the hole now, but if you get up here further, you can see the clearance it has in it. Of course, you're missing half the hole here when you're doing this, but nice clearance. You don't have to worry about binding or anything. Going by how it feels, Harley probably only runs you about a thou clearance, but that's on the high spots. This might get some high spots in it from running, because with 2 thou clearance, 1 3/4 is what I have on the dial. If you got a speck of this in there, it's enough to bind it up. So there you go. All right, that looks good. So clean all this up. We'll be back.